Living in a small apartment with a tiny kitchen. Yeah, I've been there. Squeezing past cluttered counters just to find a spatula can make cooking feel like an Olympic sport. But trust me, your mini kitchen is full of hidden potential. First things first, declutter. If you haven't used that avocado slicer in a year, it's time to say goodbye. Be ruthless. Next, go vertical. Walls aren't just for art, they're prime real estate. Hang a magnetic knife strip. Try a pegboard for your most used tools, and don't be afraid of open shelves. They free up counters and keep your essentials within reach. Plus, they look pretty cute. Now let's talk about drawers and cabinets. Add dividers to keep utensils in their lane, and use shelf risers to double your storage. Seriously, you'll wonder how you lived without them. And those weird, awkward corners. Pop in a corner shelf and suddenly you've got space for mugs or spices, or that secret snack stash. Here's a game-changer: multifunctional appliances. Think toaster, oven, air fryer combos. One gadget, multiple jobs, less clutter. Finally, set a one-in, one-out rule. Bring something new into your kitchen, something old's gotta go. It's the simplest way to keep chaos at bay. A clutter-free kitchen isn't just about looks. It's about making cooking fun again, even in the tiniest of spaces. So go ahead, reclaim your kitchen. You've got this.